Ancient China, Section 4, The Achievements of Ancient China. And I just want you to see all these pictures because they do represent many discoveries and new ideas that the Chinese were able to invent. Okay, so we talk about the Silk Road, which was extremely important for China. Wudi's victories brought China into contact with people of Central Asia. And as you can see from the map, you see Egypt, Arabia, Persia, India, and so forth. All the Silk Road trade touched all of these other civilizations. Trade introduced new foods such as grapes, walnuts, and garlic. This trade created a new route called the Silk Road, which ran from China to the Mediterranean Sea. The Silk Road was a series of roads covering 4,000 miles. Travel was hard and dangerous, as you can see from the bottom. The pictures of the sandstorms, pictures of caravans, and the mountainous terrain. The road ran along deserts and mountains, and often travelers had to withstand sandstorms. The Silk Road ended in Antioch, or modern-day Syria. This road was a place where goods and new ideas were exchanged and shared. Most travelers did not travel the entire route of the Silk Road. Silk, which was this highly desirable cloth, was created from the silkworm, a closely guarded secret. And people, you can see the silkworm on the top left, and then you can see how the silk was kept, and the bottom right you can see the process in which silk was made. Not only was this road traveled for trade, but for ideas. Missionaries traveled from India to China, bringing the religion of Buddhism. Buddhism, therefore, became a major religion in China during the Han Dynasty. Old traditions, new accomplishments. So to bring back respect for tradition, the Han Dynasty brought back Confucianism. The arts and learning grew under the Han Dynasty. Historical records of China were written and kept by Sima Qian, as you can see here in the picture. The Chinese achievements were also in farming tools, irrigation systems, paper, medicine, and the arts. The Han Dynasty ended in the 200s AD. People, you can see, look at all these pictures, and you can see from the pictures how the Chinese made new ideas and new procedures in medicine and art and many other things. Okay, so what are the key ideas to remember? What is the Silk Road? As Wudi extended the empire, more people began to trade, which created the Silk Road, running from China out to the Mediterranean Sea, about 4,000 miles. The Silk Road allowed for new products and ideas to be exchanged and was responsible for bringing missionaries that carried Buddhism to China. What are the achievements made by the Chinese that influenced other civilizations? Farming tools, such as the wheelbarrow and plow, irrigation systems, paper, medicine, such as acupuncture and herbs, and the arts, such as silk and poetry, advanced China's civilization and changed the way people lived.